What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be doing some little modifications to my BMW. As you guys know, or you might have seen from my garage showcase video, I got a new little daily. This is a 2005 330i 6-speed manual. I wanted to do a little build on it, nothing crazy, just a little OEM plus build, you know, keep it pretty simple but a little nicer. So the first thing I'm going to be doing today is adding some spacers to the car. Alright, so these are the spacers I got for it. They are 12.5 millimeters. I got 4 of them. I think they're gonna work pretty well in the front. I'm not sure about the back. The back might need a little more, so I'm gonna put these on, try them out, and see what it looks like. I'm just doing this to make sure the spacer is nice and flat. Alright, as you guys can see, what I just did is I put the spacer on, and then, you know, there was very tight clearances, so I put all the bolts on it and just tightened them one by one slowly to get a nice even fit against the you know, the car itself. I didn't just want to throw that on, it was kind of crooked, and I didn't want to hammer it on either. So put one bolt top, and then you go to the bottom, and then the other side, you know, just go alternating. Alright, so I somewhat tightened them down. I like to lower the car, just not all the way, and then tighten them down a little more. That's what it looks like now, guys. Yeah, it's good, to be honest. I mean, I thought the back wasn't gonna be enough, but it looks pretty good. See the other side. Alright, so we installed the spacers on it. It's looking good. I didn't go crazy with them either. I could have had a little bit more, but I think it looks pretty good. I didn't go, you know, extremely wide on the spacers. I could have done a little more for sure, back and front. But like I said, I didn't want too much. I didn't want any rubbing or anything like that. Just want it to look a little cleaner. I think it does look a little cleaner right now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna lower it on coils, I think it looks pretty good the way it is. I kind of like the OEM Plus look. I will be installing a very cool modification in the next video. I don't want to say what it is because it I'll throw a little teaser up of what it could mean on the screen. But yeah, I know the next video is going to be really exciting. That's why I wanted to do a little introduction on the BMW and a little modification too. I didn't want to make two separate videos. I think with one video is enough. It is the M-Tech 1 body kit, or bumpers and shit like that on it. This is exactly what I wanted. I wanted a 6-speed last model year 330i. I've been dailying it for a while. It's a pretty reliable car, to be honest, compared to the other European cars that I've owned. I'm going to show you guys the interior. There is the interior. 6-speed manual, 330i. It's got some dark tints on it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, the next video is going to be really cool. I threw a little teaser up of what I'm going to be doing. Anyways, that's it for this video. I think it looks really good with the spacers. Like I said, I didn't want to go crazy and put some really big spacers on it, since I still want to... I like driving the car pretty hard, and I think spacers are a little sketchy if you go too big on them, if you're going to drive it really hard. So I went modest with the spacers. I'll put the specs up on the screen because I kind of forgot. I think it's 12 in the front, 15 rear, or vice versa, something like that. But I'll throw them up on the screen just to make sure. But yeah guys, take care.